To find the miner's IP address, and I have to go into a Spectrum's app, and in that app it saw at last the miner's name. I can rename the miner because I'm going to have two miners connected to the thing. This is the L3 plus. So I'm going to change the name of the miner for L3 plus. I can edit the device name. Oh no, I'll leave it like that. And so now you guys can see I actually went and put the address of the miner, and it took me here, right? And now I can go to miner configuration. And here's when I'm going to change the things so that I can actually pull and send it to my, to me. Whatever I'm making is sent to me, not to somebody else. So I have to change these things, and I'm going to see. I'm going to pause and give me a second. Okay, so you'll have to actually get into F2 pool to mine, and then you're going to choose in the pool, what are you going to mine? And I'm going to mine Litecoin. And then it tells you here where the account balance is the payout, blah, blah, blah. You have not set up your payout address. Click here. So I have to send up an address here. I'm going to pause it for a second. And I'm going to send my password. I mean, my Litecoin to my decent wallet. That way, whatever I'm getting is going to my cold wallet. Okay. Some people send their stuff here. Their stuff to some other place, but I don't want to do that. So then I can add that address to receive Litecoin here. Receive. And then I'm just going to text myself so I can add that. Okay. And I'm now going to add my LT address. Also, I can actually have Doge with the Litecoin miner. You can actually also mine Doge. Okay, so I'm just going to take this address, recheck the address, because if not, this is actually making money, guys. You always check the first four, the middle four, and the middle, the end four. Okay, so I'm going to add my address, LTC address source, the sync LT payout with mining accounts. So if you want to open another, you're going to go to accounts, and then you're going to go into pays, and then you're going to go here and say, okay, Bitcoin mining account, shop. To get yourself into the mining pool, you need to go into workers and add a worker. There's nothing here. You're going to add a worker. Here you can see, so if I want to change to Bitcoin, I have to add a new worker, right? Because each miner and machine is a new worker. I'm saying it tells you here. how to connect that. And this is a configuration sample, so you can see it, okay? So you can have more than one address in the place that you, and more than one address because you can have a bunch of different miners, right? You can go into the dashboard and see, once you start mining, you can see the hash rate, the revenue, and a bunch of other things. And there's a bunch of different pools, the network status, and the QR code for me to monitor that in my phone, which I am monitoring. And there's more things here. Tools, block mine, so all the pools you have to, there's different pools, there's mining, there's solar pools, mining pools, uh, you know. So with the mining pools, you make money. With the solar pools, you either make money or don't make money, and it's kind of like a lottery. So again, think about before what you choose before you do it. Apply knowledge is power. And it's gonna send me an MS code to add that because I have a protection into my, so I have to add a code. Let me show you and resume. So once I do this, I'm gonna say okay. So that I can, your address has now been activated. Please check the email. I need to go and check my email and activate the address. Okay. Then you click on the link, and now the address is set. And now I'm there. So I don't know what else I need to do. I'm just gonna be like, I'm learning. It's my first time doing this. So again, like everything else, it's a learning experience. The other place that I'm gonna get an account is called Hivon. This is a place where you can mine different, well, here's ETC, which is Ethereum Classic. You don't want to mine that. KS, and then Raven. I don't know. I don't see. So we can use we can actually do Bitcoin here. So, so basically now I have to find out how I do this. So I'm gonna copy the pool one. Here. It says pool one. I mean URL. Okay. Then worker is me. That's not it. Where is it? I just had it. Pool two, right? Pool two. And the worker is not this person because I don't, if you put that worker, it's going to send it to the other person. So then pool three, I'm going to add a pool three. You add pool one, pool two, and pool three, just in case one of these things don't work. So I'm going to, how can I add another one? 1, 2, 3, pool address. And then now that I have that, I'm going to add myself as the worker. Okay. I'm the worker, worker, worker. And then I have to put the password. And I got my own password. that I'm not gonna logically show. Password, password, password. And then I'm going to save all this info. And it's going to now we can see if the miner status is working. Back here, we got the system. We got the miner configuration. Recheck again. We got the network. We got the config. Okay. And that's how you connect a miner. And again, we're here. And you can see that things are moving. Okay. So follow for more things about learning more things about crypto technical stuff. Thank you, guys.